So that should never happen, and it's really common. I see it happening almost every day. People coming out of driveways, junctions where you can't see, and what they're doing is they're putting the nose of the car, obviously you can't see at that point, and what you're now doing is you're relying on someone else to actually stop for you and take the right course of action. With me in the footage there, that's really easy. I'm paying full attention. I'm going to deal with the situation safely. But you should never put your life in other people's hands. You need to be always doing the right thing so that you cancel out someone's wrong. Imagine I come out of somewhere that I can't see very well, and rather than doing it safely, I put the nose out trying to get a better view, and someone on the major road not paying enough attention, maybe texting, maybe just a little bit distracted, maybe just hasn't seen us, smashes into our car. We've got a real problem now, and we've done something wrong that's contributed to that, okay? And we're probably going to be liable. So I come out of my driveway every morning, and it is very, very hard to see. And I'm going to show you that now. So I'm going to show you the view that I have coming out every morning. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the car at a point where my nose is not quite in the road. So I'm going to go here. Now my nose is just still in my driveway, okay? Look left, absolutely nothing. I can see about 1 meter. Look right, absolutely nothing. I can see about 1 meter. So even if I do this slowly and I put my nose out in the road, I am really risking an accident. Now, the simplest thing you can do is this. Put your windows down. All right, it's raining. Oh no, I'm going to get a little bit wet. Right, I can hear something coming. So I'm not going to put my nose out yet. I don't trust that person. And it's their priority. I heard them coming a full 7-8 seconds before I actually pulled out into the road. So now I'm going to wait until I can hear nothing. Now when I hear nothing, doesn't mean it's clear. I could have something else actually coming along that's very quiet, electric vehicles, bicycles. But again, I heard that person 10 seconds or so before they actually were visible in my view. If that lady in the clip had done that, there's no chance her nose is going to come out into the road until I've actually passed. I hear nothing. So now I'm going to begin the peep and creep. I'm going very slowly. If I hear something, I'll stop. And I physically see that is clear to my right. And now I'm out. Any junction where you can't see enough to actually pull the car out safely, get your window down. Genuinely, one day you could save a life. I genuinely believe it. You know, my dad is 78 and I showed him this, or 79 now. How old are you, Dad? Who knows? I showed my parents and they'd never thought of doing this. And now they love it because everywhere they can't see, they put the windows down and they're really saying how much it's, you know, changed their safety, essentially. And it's fine if you don't think of it yourself, but like when you see this video, hopefully it just makes a few people go, actually, that's a bloody good idea. And that is something I should be doing in my normal driving. We all want to reach our pensionable age, and that is one way of trying to ensure that you will. If you haven't seen my channel, there's plenty on it. I'm always adding videos. There's driving basics, things like this that can hopefully enhance your driving. I have a lot of people who've been driving 40 odd years and say, actually, I've learned something from that. So don't think you know it all. Watch the series, see if you can pick up stuff. There's lesson footage if you're learning. There's all sorts of stuff I'll explain. If you are learning or if you've been driving a long time, get in contact. I'm more than happy to answer questions. Apologies, sometimes I am quite slow at replying. That's just life, got 2 kids. But I am quite slow at replying. Sometimes I will reply though. But if you need anything explained that you don't understand, that is why I've started this channel. Never put your life in someone else's hand. Literally, do the right thing all the time and you will counteract other people's wrongs.